So initially I was supposed to do an Ask Alonzo video today, but the blizzard, y'all, the blizzard in North Carolina got people going crazy. Over 1 inch of snow. School canceled because of a snowball. People might say it's because of the ice. So after I received the text confirmation from school, I decided to take a picture. Let me know if you see any ice on the road. So while people are out getting bread, water, and batteries, I decided to go to my local market and get my survival kit. My blizzard survival kit. And my peach rings. Let me tell you something about peach rings. Peach rings are one of my favorite snacks. And I'll tell you why. Because they're inexpensive and they satisfy your hunger. Actually, I opened it before I just started this because I had to get a little snacks and some energy, some sugar. Mm. Hold on. I was going to enjoy this kit of deliciousness while watching Netflix, but apparently after I posted the pic on Instagram, people were telling me about this addiction I might have with this Talenti Gelato. I only tried gelato once, and that was when I visited my brother in Florida recently. And I was hooked, but the problem was we don't have shops in this town that sell gelato. We might have 20 different family dollar stores on every corner, but no gelato. So since it's Friday, and I make a video every Friday, I decided to try this live on camera as a first impression for you. But before I do, let me read these ingredients to you. This specific Talenti Gelato sea salt caramel has caramel, milk, sugar, cream, eggs, coconut oil, Dutch cocoa, dextrose, soybean oil, sea salt, vanilla, carob gum, soy lecithin, and other natural flavors. Bam! You know, anything that has a label full of ingredients, there's just not enough room for all the ingredients, it might not be the healthiest kind, but when you can squeeze the ingredients in that little thing right there, it's probably good for you. But I'm going to taste it. I'm going to taste it for you. I'm going to taste it. Live on camera, baby. Now, how do you open this? Woo! So rich. This is Talenti Gelato sea salt caramel. Oh, it's smooth too. Look at that. You see that? Look, let me do it again because I haven't never tasted this. Oh, there's that chocolate covered truffle right there. Actually, I'm gonna get that too. So smooth. All right. Mm. Oh my gosh. Oh. The taste is so rich. Oh. Maybe they are right. I might be addicted to it. As soon as you taste it, those rich flavors just burst in your mouth right there, right on that jawline right there. That truffle, baby, that truffle. Mm. Okay, I'm coming back for you, baby. Make sure you comment below and tell me something good I should try or something bad I should try. Maybe our taste buds will connect something. All right, well, until then, I'll see y'all next week. Instagram was right. It was good, so I had to get me another one. This is the fudge brownie. I love the way they package it, because don't think that I'm going to throw this away when it's done, right? You know I'm going to keep this container. I'm just saying.